Hello crafty family and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, to see what new and exciting finds have arrived this week. Now I do love sharing all the new finds with you all so you know what to look out for on your next shopping trip. So let's dive in. Now we all know Mother's Day is coming up next Sunday, so I wanted to start off in new Mother's Day arrivals, which includes these handheld massagers. You guys, these are such a great item. I've never seen them at the Dollar Tree and they are available in like a purple, a pink, and like a mint green, and these are battery operated, so they're really convenient to use. And look what else is back, these facial massagers. Now a version of this has been available in years past, but this is the first time I'm seeing all three of these together in this beautiful color pink. These are also battery operated, a really great item to add to the Mother's Day basket. If your mother likes to be pampered, look, we have these creamy bath solutions. These are honey and sunflower, which is really nice. Here are the bath salts. They have the pump here, and this is the body wash. And they also have a body cream, so you could put all four together in a really cute collection. I also saw these. These are Spa Life brand, and these are antioxidant lip jellies. I've never seen these before. Brand new arrival at the Dollar Tree. They also have the charcoal eye masks. I don't know about you, but I definitely can use these on the daily. So this is a great item to have at the Dollar Tree. Now at another Dollar Tree, I did spot a different version of the lip jellies in this orange packaging. So just be on the lookout. There may be different variations available out there. And check this out. This Vaseline all-purpose cream is the best. I will put my name on this. Amazing, amazing product for all those rough patches and spots. They also have the all-purpose cream in a cocoa glow. Now this is $125 at Dollar Tree, but if you can't find it, head over to Amazon. They sell the 4-packs of the same thing. These come out to 82 cents each, so they actually beats the Dollar Tree price. Now I did find some soaps also in health and beauty. These are more like the summer nautical collection soaps, and these are soaps on a rope. So they had an anchor seashell. They do have some starfish and other shells. These are really nice just to add to gift baskets or add to a dish in your bathroom. And look at these. Okay, so they had a ton of these diffuser sets at the Dollar Tree. Now this is an all-time favorite item of adding to any gift basket year round, but since Mother's Day is coming next week, they did have a variety of colors and flavors available. I think this is the most that I've ever seen at one trip to the Dollar Tree. So it's really exciting to see all of the new variety that is available that you can add to the gift basket. Now after your oils run out, Dollar Tree does sell refillable oils that you can use, or you could just repurpose a little bottle. I'm all about repurposing and recycling, so definitely hold on to that bottle when it's all done. And for those who can't find those palettes, I finally found them. Listen, these Wet n Wild Sesame Street palettes just showed up at my Dollar Tree, and I'm really excited to finally see some of the collection. Now, along with it, they also had the Elmo lip gloss as well. Now at another Dollar Tree, I did find this. This is neat. So they had this one here, which is kind of like a body glitter. I thought that was neat. And they have this, and this is another one here, and this is a lip, this is like a lip product here. They had some lipsticks available too in 2 different colors. They had one in kind of like this pink kind of color, and then they have more of a red with Elmo on there. So they did have quite a few lip colors available at the different stores. Now, along with that, I forgot to film it in the store, but I found these. These are the Cookie Monster eye, cheek, and lip pencils, and these come in a 3-pack. I also found this, which is the Eyelash Curler. Now I found it in blue. I'm not sure if it's available in any other color, but I wanted to show that I did find that this week as well. Now here's some more lip products from the Sesame Street collection. They have this, which is more kind of like a shimmery type of gloss. And as you can see, everything was picked over. So you have to get there weekly and check it often. Now, once you buy all these things, the Dollar Tree always has these containers that you can actually store and arrange and organize everything, which I really love. Whether you want a drawer style, an open top style, ones with a lid, or open storage, it's all up to you. But I always love the clear storage options that are available at the Dollar Tree. Now, something new in health and beauty was this product. Now, this is the Twist brand Strengthen the Bond Hair Mask. I've never seen this before. Another high-end product that I'm seeing. They also had some of the Bounce styling cream and also this leave-in conditioner. Now, I did take a look to see what they were online, and I did find one product. Now, this one is retailing at $14, you guys. They had another one that was $17. Now you can see that the prices are not hard to make your choice by choosing the Dollar Tree for $125, and here's the styler for $8.99. Check that out. Now look at these little containers here. These are glass little votive vases. I featured these before in like a blue colorway. This is the first time I'm ever seeing them in a pink colorway. Also makes a great addition to a Mother's Day basket. They also had these in the home decor section. They had the 2-piece sign sets, and these are kind of like box frame arts, and they do have the butterflies on there. You guys, these are great for displaying, crafting, or doing whatever you love with them. One of them had butterflies, and then they had a second one that had butterflies and flowers on there, and it said love grows here. So be on the lookout for those. Those were a new arrival to my Dollar Tree. If you've been looking for these little jars, I want to let you know that they are back. They just started popping back up at the Dollar Tree this week, so be on the lookout. In the craft section, they have these wood boxes. They were stocking these as I got there, and I think they're so cute. So they have laser cut lids. One has a little butterfly on it. They have unicorns. They do come in multiple different designs. Now, you don't necessarily have to use the lid on your project if you don't like the lid. The boxes are great, and you can always repurpose that lid for another project. So definitely look out for these. I always love the wood items at the Dollar Tree. These little heart signs are back, you guys. I featured them before. They're back. They also have this tag style, and they have a square. Grab them while you can. They never last long. I featured these sets last week, but I didn't see this purple one, so I definitely had to show you that. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. In the party section, look at this balloon hoop. So you can make your own balloon designs. Now, I think this can be used for so much more, but I had to feature it with you guys because look, this has so many possibilities. They also have balloon chandelier sets with all of the pieces. So they had 2 new ones at my Dollar Tree. They're really expanding their variety there in the party section. And check out the electronics. The Ring camera now has competition, or not really. So this is the fake camera. This is the fake Ring doorbell camera. You can get it in white or you can get it in black. So if you want something that's kind of a dupe, you could definitely choose these. In the hardware section, I had to feature this extra tough clear packing tape. I love that they have this. This is a 55-yard package. Now, if you look at the standard Dollar Tree one, that's only 45 yards. So you're definitely getting more bang for your buck by getting the 55-yard pack for the extra tough brand. And socks are back. Okay, so these are a new shipment of socks, and I love it. They have Cheetos socks. Here's some that are Doritos. They also have the Twinkies. I did see a version of the Twinkies come out earlier this year, and then they have the nostalgic socks like Rugrats and things like that. Now, here's some South Park ones too. If you love South Park, definitely check that one out as well. And MTV, gotta have it. Here's some Bagel Bite socks that are really cute. And then you can't leave out the red hot sauce. Here's the Office socks. I love that show. So I definitely had to pick some of these up as well. And here's some Shrek Socks. Now, I know there's more out there, but these are the ones that I've seen so far, and I just wanted to share those with you guys. Now, look at this Joey Slicer, I think it's called. This is a mandolin slicer, another fun name brand item at the Dollar Tree. I'm always happy to see these things, so I did definitely have to take a look to see how much this was online, and it was $9.95, you guys. So definitely the $125 price definitely beats that out. Now, speaking of kitchen items, the Dollar Tree had a ton of summer kitchenware out, and I love it. So they put out the color coordinated sets out, and this one is red with watermelons, and I love that little cup that they have there. One's with a straw and one's with the sippy lid, and then they had bowls. Now, what I can appreciate about this collection is that it's all plastic or melamine, which means that if you take it outside for picnics and things, if you drop it, it's not going to break. So it's definitely durable. They also have the watermelon. I love the watermelon plate. Here are the dish towels to coordinate with that. And look, they even have a large serving tray with all the fun watermelons. I can see serving all kinds of summer goodies with this pretty tray along with this large serving bowl. Now, if you are looking for just cups, they have the kind of clear plastic ones, the multi-cup sets, the margarita glasses, the serving trays, and this large serving tray. All of these are all $125. Now that is the red collection, but if you're looking for lemons and turquoise color, they have basically everything you just saw in a lemon and kind of blue turquoise color. As you can see, they had all of those pieces available, and you can actually get the color that you want. Now, if you want a darker color, they did have more of a darker blue color, which is here. Now, I have featured some of these butterfly pieces before, but this is really the complete collection right here. So you can choose from all of the different coordinating pieces, including some large storage containers that come with most of these sets. Now, if you love sea life, here's the turtle and sea life collection in like a mint green. Very pretty, perfect for summer. So definitely get to your Dollar Tree early. Things are getting picked over really early, even though it's not summer. But the key is to stock up early so you can get the choice of the pieces that you want. Now check this out, a Popsicle serving tray. I just saw this and it blew my mind, so nostalgic. I love this little tray for summer that just was stocked on the shelf. They also have this little beach ball kind of sippy bottle here. I think that is really fun for summer. And then next to it, they have this little shark one. Now, I believe I did see this last year, but I want to let you know it is back this year. So you could definitely check out one of those. Now, I did find one orange slice here, but I will find more later. But hiding in the back, a watermelon slice sippy bottle. How cute are all of these for summer? Now I did round the corner and there is the rest of the citrus slice, whether you wanted lemon, lime, or orange. And check out the flamingos. They come out every year, but this year they were only at one of my Dollar Trees. Now, if you love to use these and repurpose them for Halloween, you need to get them now because once they're gone for summer, they are gone. Now, check these out. These little gnomes. They have gnomes in a summer theme. He's just chilling in his goggles and sunglasses with his little slippers, flip-flops, and just having a good old time. So if you wanted the gnome for the summer, definitely check these out. And they all come with the weighted bottoms with the beads. Also, nearby in the garden section, they did restock these bird sweat baskets that you could put bird feed in. These are really great to hang out and help the birds out. In the cleaning section, I found this multi-surface pack. Now, first of all, I love the packaging with the all black, very sleek. And this is a 30 count wipe container. Now, if you don't want the container, you can also get them in the little pouch as well. Now, the thing about the pouches is it has a 30 count as well, but these wipes are actually larger than the container wipes. So definitely check both of those out. I just love the packaging of this brand. And for all that outdoor fun, you definitely got to protect yourself. They have this insect repellent. I've never seen this at the Dollar Tree. So this is the spray bottle of the insect repellent. Now, if you prefer a wipe, they did have a wipe version as well, which is really great. So now you have a choice of whether you want the wipes or the spray. So I'm glad that they're offering a choice this year in the products. Now, this was a new item. Okay, the YouTuber MrBeast has a cookie line. Did you guys know that? They're called Feastables. So now the Dollar Tree has them, and these are supposed to be gluten-free and non-GMO. Really neat. And they also have peanut butter. So I saw peanut butter, chocolate chip, and I saw chocolate chips. So I did look these up. I found them on Amazon. Now, the chocolate chip ones are selling 6 packs for $26.99. So they come out to $4.33 a piece. Now, the peanut butter ones are selling for $22.99 at $3.83 a piece. Head to the Dollar Tree and get them all for $1.25. So now we're going to head over to the plus section to see what they have. And lo and behold, I looked up and saw these huge number balloons. I've never seen these before at the Dollar Tree. Now, these are, I believe, are about 3 feet tall, if not more. And they're sold singly in any numbers of your choice. And they are huge. These are great for birthdays, and they're only $5, but they are really large. I also saw these food play sets. Now, I usually don't pay too much attention to the toys, but these were really impressive, you guys. They come with so many pieces, and if you have a young one with an imagination, here's a waffle set with all the accessories. Here's one with an ice cream set. So it has the ice cream cones, the sundae bowls, all the scoops and things. A lot of pieces in these collections, and this is a 19-piece box. If you have a little one that loves to watch dad grill or mom grill, here's a grill collection with hamburgers and hot dogs and all the condiments that go with it. I thought that one was really neat. And here is one with pizza. So you've got the slicer, the pizza, some toppings, the little scoop. You have all kinds of things. And these sets are only $5. I think these are really, really great and fun for the little ones. And if you missed it the first time, my Dollar Tree restocked on those Stanley dupe tumblers. You guys, I have one and I have dropped it a couple times and it survived. Really durable. So definitely get one for $5. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more awesome finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, earlier in this video, I featured these eyeshadow palettes from the Sesame Street collection that many of you have said are really hard to find in your stores. Now, they did have plenty on the shelves at my store, so I picked up 3 extras of these to give away to 3 lucky winners. Now, it's really easy to enter this giveaway. Just leave a comment below answering this question. What were your top 3 favorite items in your video? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, May 7th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, be sure to check back on Wednesday, May 8th to see if you are selected by checking my top pinned comment in the comment section, and I'll also respond directly to your comment if you are the winner. Now, to confirm you understand this, leave a taco emoji or the word taco in the comment along with today's answer to the question to be entered into the drawing. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we're solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish each and every one of you good luck. Listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.